अगर तुम किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहोगे तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उससे मिलाने में लग जाएगी. This dialogue is taken from a line which is and when you want something, universe conspires everything you want. So dreams are meant to be followed. Life is meant to be lived. Some books are meant to be loved, read, and passed on. With this, a very cheerful evening to one and all present over here. Today, Hiya is going to tell you about a very interesting, adventurous, and an amazing book, which is The Alchemist by Patel. It is, if you haven't read this book, let me tell you that by reading this book, you may find that what's your purpose of your life. Imagine that you are going on a road trip with GPS to find the treasure of your dreams. But what if instead of GPS you have got Santiago, a shepherd boy, and instead of car you have got a herd of sheep? Wouldn't it be interesting? It seems like you are going to have an adventurous trip. That's all about this book. Let me start with this story a bit. The Santiago, he's a shepherd boy. He dreams that he dreams that there is a big treasure in Egyptian pyramids. So he decides to go there to find the treasure. Now let me tell you that a bit interesting thing about it, that this book will make you question a lot, that what's the purpose of happiness? Should I listen to my heart or my head? Then should I sacrifice everything for my dreams? And a very famous dialogue of Bollywood movie Om Shanti Om is taken from this book. Can anyone guess what's that dialogue? अगर तुम किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहोगे तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उससे मिलाने में लग जाएगी. This dialogue is taken from a line which is and when you want something, universe conspires everything you want. So now let's move to the story again. The Santiago, he gives us a lesson that a bit foolishness is required to acquire something in your life, just like he did. He sacrificed all of his herd. Now you can imagine that how a shepherd boy could sacrifice all of his sheep. What would he do? Just like that. His life is not at all easy. When you think that he is about to strike the treasure in the pyramids, he faces difficulty. He gets robbed in the market, and from getting robbed to from working with a crystal merchant, he desires, and even after at the end you will only find that there was no treasure in the pyramids. The treasure was inside himself only. At the end you will find cheering for himself, cheering for the shepherd boy Santiago. You would be thinking that how joyful it would be if my life would be like that. So in conclusion, I would like to tell that it is not Alchemist is not just a book. It's a book of magic. You may read this. It is having a lot of thought-provoking questions and all. Thank you, and may your legend lead you a very miraculous life.